Friends, running kimono here. So it is Sunday, March the 16th, and we are back at Walgreens, and we have some amazing deals, including some really easy freebies in store. We have a BOGO free on the Tide and the Downy Rinse. It is a fantastic week over at Walgreens. If you could do me a huge kindness, guys, and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. Really helps out me and the channel. If you could just take a second and like the video, I would be so grateful. And if you are in a really bad snow belt where you're getting a really bad storm today, these deals are great, but safety always first. I would go later in the week. In case the weather is pretty frightful where you're living. Lots of my friends on social media are not able to go today because the weather, we have a bad storm. So just be careful out there, okay, guys? Okay, so in celebration of St. Patrick's Day, well, Walgreens always gives out free prints. We have this coupon code that's working today, which is the 16th, the 17th, and the 18th. It is to use the code COOLFREE, exactly as pictured, and you're going to get an 8x10 photo, one per account, completely for free. So this morning I put an order in, and guess what printed for me? This guy, a 5-back when you spend 15, and this is the booster that the majority of us want because it's a small basket and you're getting like $5 back when you spend 15. So I would definitely put in one of those free pictures, and fingers crossed this prints for you. Don't be shy to ask the cashier, like, hey, is the machine working? Are those stupid coupons printing? Because who doesn't love these little coupons? I certainly do. And I have 2 different transactions where I'm utilizing them to get maximum savings. Okay. This also is working in celebration of St. Patrick's Day using the code LUCKY17. Monday, I'm going to have a video on this, guys. So the first freebie is this guy on clearance at 90% off. It is the Sleeve 50 count with an arthritis cap. It's on clearance for $1.19. IBOTTA has a rebate on the left-hand side for $1.50 back, and you can do this up to 3 times. I always find that if you have a really bad like back pain, or you've just kind of like moved wrong, there's something in Aleve that works really well for back pain and muscle. Just to show you the UPC of the product that I grabbed in case you're like, hey, I need to get the exact one. Clearance is always your mileage may vary, so definitely ask for a price check before you buy it. So grabbing 3 of them, for me, it was $3.57. I got $4.50 back from IBOTTA, so it made it free plus a 93-cent money maker, and who doesn't love that? Next freebie that we have is called Midnight, and I think this is just like some sort of melt that you take right before bed to put you to sleep. It has properties of melatonin. Also another 90% off product for $1.69. And I just either will scan stuff in IBOTTA or scan stuff with the Walgreens app to see what coupons may attach. And a Walgreens coupon did in fact attach. And here's the UPC again if you wish to do a little scan. This attached, which is a 10 off of 2. However, in the app, it appeared as a $6 off of 1 coupon, which was odd. So I just loaded it, and this is a Walgreens coupon. You're not going to get any overage for this. It's just going to make it a complete free item. I only found 1 in store, so of course I had to test it. And here it is, $1.69. The Walgreens coupon goes down to $1.69, and I didn't even have to pay tax for this, so I'm pretty excited. What I encourage you guys to do is to walk down the pain aisle and just see what they may have. A lot of this stuff is either 75 or 90. Open up the app, both the Walgreens scan barcodes and the IBOTTA app, in case you might have some rebates attaching. You might stumble into some freebies like I did this morning. This is an absolutely sensational deal. It is to pick up one of these Tide Pods for $12.99 and get a Downy Rinse and Refresh completely for free. I have never seen something like this in quite some time, where you get like a buy one, get one free. No, I haven't seen this in years, guys. So this is fantastic. Load this digital coupon, which is a 3 off of 1, and see that Rinse and Refresh. It's in this scent only, which is the Cool Cotton 16 ouncer. It's completely for free. So here it is, guys. Grabbing one of those. You're going to pay for the pods but not the rinse. So that's $12.99. Subtracting your digital coupon, it's like $9.99 for the two or $4.99 per product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. I did a basket this morning where I had other register rewards. So my $3 for the Tide Pod did not come off. So I have to call customer service in a bit and complain about that. So just be mindful of that. If the digital coupon does not come off, you might have to call customer service. But I was doing some weird stuff this morning. And just to show you guys the receipt, this is how it rang up. So you can't count that Cool Cotton rinse and refresh as part of your transaction. It's just a free item. So $12.99. That is fantastic. Subtracting the $3.99 for the two, I love it. Okay, the next deal that we have is the $3.50 Oral-B and Crest product, and you're going to have to get a mixy match of the two. $4 reward when you purchase two. Now, a lot of you were saying, hey, that 3 off of 2 digital coupon, I don't have it anymore. But you do have this, which is a $2 off of one and a 1 off of one, which still equals to $3. So two of those dental care products is $7,350 times 2. Subtracting the $3 of manufacturers, you're going to pay $4, get back a $4 register reward, making it free. And it's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And the Dove Men shampoo for $5. We have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon, and I kind of felt like this would be the cheapest item in that promotion, and it is in fact it. And a $2 register reward when you purchase 2. So this is the digital coupon that you're going to load, friends, the 4 off of 2. And make sure you have it loaded. So this is a pretty straightforward deal. 2 of those Doves is exactly 10. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay 6. Get back a $2 register reward, making it $4 for the 2 or $2 per product. Not bad. And if you're doing this with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn that register reward. And our Colgate deal is back. $3 reward when you purchase 2, and the pastes are $4 a pop. This morning we got this very generous coupon for toothpaste, which is a 4 off of 2. So I am really liking that. Make sure you have it loaded and it's attaching. So very straightforward offer here. 2 of these for $8. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $4. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $1 for the 2 or 50 cents per product. And it's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Another cheap shampoo deal that we have is the 2 for $8 on the Garnier Fructis. $3 reward when you purchase 2. And this morning we got a 3 off of 2 digital for both the Fructis and a 3 off of 2 for the whole blends. So that's 2 different transactions to earn that register reward. Again, 2 of the Garnier Fructis for $8. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $5. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $2 for 2 or $1 per Garnier. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Okay, and just to show you guys the register reward from Garnier, if you look at the top, it expires on the 23rd. So you have a full week now. It's not like, 3 days and you have to use it. So you can let this one live rent-free in your wallet for a week, which I love. Okay, now we're looking at a Head & Shoulders deal. $4 register reward when you purchase 2, and it's BOGO 50% off this week. Now, both of my accounts got a 4 off of 2 digital coupon, perhaps because I buy a ton of Head & Shoulders. This is one of our favorite shampoos in our household, but this is the one that I got. But hang on to your wallet for a second, friends. There's also $1.50 back when you purchase 2 with the IBOTTA app. So make sure you have this one for this deal. Okay, so here it is. 2 of those Head & Shoulders, BOGO 50% off. That's $13.48. Subtracting that really nice 4 off of 2, you're going to pay $9.48. Get back a $4 register reward. Photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for $1.50 back, making it $3.98 for the 2 or $1.99 per Head & Shoulders. A product that's like $8 and some change on a non-sales week. This is a fantastic deal. Okay, and now we're going to do a couple deals with this booster, the 5 back when you spend 15. And the first one is to grab 4 different Tide products. So 2 liquids and 2 pods, $4 reward when you purchase 4. So we're going to grab a mixy match of them. And we have $1.50 digital coupons on a liquid and a pod. So make sure you have both of these loaded. That's $3. And then a bag of the Oxy pods. I think it's like a smaller count, but you're going to have to scan to make sure it's attaching. So grabbing 4 of these products for $21.96, they're $5.49 a pop, subtracting $5.05 in digital manufacturers. Get the cashier to scan your paper booster of 5 back when you spend 15. You're going to pay $16.91 with your debit card. Get back a $4 register reward and $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $7.91 for the 4 items or $1.97 per product. And let's not forget not to use Walgreens cash as you're using a spend booster on this transaction. Okay, and the final deal, we are utilizing this guy. So hopefully a couple of these will print out for you with the free code that you're using in the next couple days. For this first basket, we're going to grab one of each, an Oral-B and a Crest toothpaste, priced at $3.50 a pop. Load the $3 of digital coupons. And then you're also going to be grabbing 2 of the Garnier Fructis for $8. And we have a 3 off a 2 digital coupon. Please make sure you have it loaded. Alternatively, you can go with whole blends if you do not like the Fructis. I know whole blends a little bit more fancy. So here's what we're doing, guys. 2 of the Crest for $7, 2 of the Garnier for $8, for a total of $15 on the nose. Scan the 5 back when you spend 15. You have $6 in digitals, 3 for Crest, 3 for Garnier. With your debit card, you're going to pay $9 plus the tax. Get back $5 in Walgreens cash, plus a $4 register reward for Crest, a $3 register reward for Garnier. That's $7. It makes your haul free plus a $3 moneymaker. Remember not to use Walgreens cash as you're using that spend booster of spend 15 to earn back 5. That's it for this video. Make some magic happen. Bye, guys.